Hello everyone, welcome again to our new session of the Python. In this session, we'll discuss about Python random module. We've already covered the basics of Python module. So if you don't know about the basic of Python module, please watch my previous session and also mention URL in description tab so that it will be easy for you to refer this. So after watching this that video, please continue with this one so that you are able to understand each and everything in detail. So let's see what we can cover today's session. We'll discuss here the basics of random module, how we can use it, which all elements or attributes are available in random module, and then by using one example I will show you how we'll use it in real life. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with Python random module. So first of all, what is random module? The module implements pseudo-random number generates for various distributions is called as random module. For an integer, there is a uniform selection from a range. For sequences, there is a uniform selection of random elements. A function to generate a random permutation of least in place and a function for random sampling without replacement, that is on the real time. There are functions to compute uniform, normal, that is Gaussian, log normal, negative, exponential, gamma and beta distribution. For generating distributions of angles, the von Mises distribution is available. Almost all module functions depend on the basic function, that is random, which generates a random float uniformly in the semi-open range, that is O dot O, 1 dot O. Python uses the Marsen-Swister as the code generator. It produces 53-bit precision floats and has a period of 2 into multiple of 19937 minus 1. The underlying implementation in C is both fast and thread safe. The Marsen-Swister is one of the most extensively tested random number generator in existence. However, being completely deterministic, it is not suitable for all the purposes and is completely unsuitable for cryptographic purpose. The functions supplied by this module are actually bound method of a hidden instance of the random.random class. We can instantiate our own instances of random to generate that tool share state. Class random can also be subclassed if we want to use a different basic generator for our own diversifying. So there are four major attributes are available in random, that is random, seed and get state and set state method. Optionally, a new generator can supply a get rand bits method. This allows rand range to produce selections over arbitrarily large range. Let's see how we'll use it in real life by programming. So before starting with actual code, we have to import random module. So import is a keyword which we are using for importing any module. Then random, the name of the module, and we are calling the method random.seed. Here we are providing value to, post that we are printing. So print random dot random, and this is a function, because of that we are calling in round brackets. I am pasting here thrice because it is always start from 0, 1 and 2. It will print 3 times. So now you can see the random order is printed and you can see it's continuously increasing in order. 95 dot O 9560 dot O 9594 and dot 05. So if we want to print some other number like 3 or 4 times, then we need to copy and paste 2 more times. Now I can see it's printed. Because it's a random generator, random number generator, it's always contain any value, then it will decrease the number. So you can see this is the random number generated by this model. So let's understand which all functions are available inside the random model. So you can also see the directory information of random on just print dir, and in between directory you can enter the name of your model. Now you can see these all attributes are available: bpf, log4, mb, magic constant, bpt random, sg magic constraint, system random, topi sequence. So these all attributes, or you can see methods, are available in random. So if you want to check any directory or any module name directory, you can use this command to print all the directory information. So let's see some of the example and their description. So we have used here seed. So seed is initializing the random number generator. Get state method is used to return an object capturing the current internal state of the generator. Set state restores the internal state of the generator. Get random bits returns a Python integer with key random bits. Random range, which start, stop and step, returns a random integer from the range. Rand int e, b returns a random integer between a and b inclusive. Choice, that is sequence, returns a random elements from the non-empty sequence. Shuffle sequence, that is shuffle all the sequence which is available. Sample population, k, return a k-length list of unique element chosen from the population sequence. Random function returns the next random floating point number in the range o.o, 1.o, just like that. Uniform e, b returns a random floating point number between a and b inclusive. Triangular low, high and mode returns a random floating point number between low and high. These all methods are available. Apart of that, there are several other methods. So this is the complete method name available in random directory which we are using in real life programming. So that's all about random module. If you really enjoyed this video, consider pressing thumbs up icon and subscribing channel for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.